Alright, so before we get into today's video, I just wanted to say happy holidays to everybody. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, you know, whatever you celebrate around this time of year, but just wanted to say happy holidays from all of us from Crazy House Performance. And with that, I'm not going to hold you guys up long. Let's get to the action. Alright, welcome back. So I'm a dingbat and decided, I was like, oh yeah, we're going to get the transmission fixed. Throw it back in the car, you know. Supposed to videotape it. Well, never did any of that. I got Tubbsy over here. He helped me get the transmission all the way back together. So I want to give a huge shout out to Earl out of Texas. He rebuilds T5s and manual transmissions. He hooked me up with all the parts to get the transmission fixed. So new input shaft, new cluster shaft. Ended up going in there and replacing the 3/4 shift keys with some billet ones. So we did a little bit of upgrading while we were in there. So as of right now, the tranny's already in. Chris is over here cleaning off the shifter base. Already got fluid in it. So we're gonna get the shifter put in and handle on the shift boot and everything hooked up. Already got power hooked back up. And then we're gonna fire this bad girl back up, see if my transmission works again, and go out cruising and get some tacos. Tacos! Yeah, I'm pretty excited to finally get this thing back up and going. It's definitely been a minute. It's probably been like, what, 3 months?
Yeah.
So I'm excited to at least get the engine, you know, moving some fluids around because it's been sitting for a hot minute. All right, so we ran out of bolts, which is a good thing. There's no extras.
No.
What do we do with extras?
Wait a minute, here's one.
Oh, come on. All right, so shifter's back in. I kind of ran it through the gears. Of course, everything's dry, so it's a little tough, but I guess we are going to try to start this.
Make vroom vroom noises.
I like vroom vroom noises. I haven't heard vroom vroom noises in a hot minute.
Here we go.
All right. Do we have fuel pump still? Oh, yeah.
Yep, noises.
And then we'll do it one more time. Okay. That's a good start. Let's see if cold start settings are good. Haven't ran in 3 months. And we gotta work on it a little bit. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, we talked too soon.
Yeah.
I suck. I suck. Woo! Oh, we're good now. Look at that oil pressure, 70 pounds. Hell yeah. The beast is back. Temperature change, might have to tweak the tune a little bit. Seems like I always have issues with idling for some reason. It always likes to act like it's got a big blower cam or something, or a big blower on it.
side of the car.
So me and Chris just ran to O'Reilly's to grab some brake pads for something we're working on, but I figured I was like, no, I'll let Chris drive the car, see what he thinks, because he hasn't driven it since the four banger.
Not every day you get to drive the Legends car.
Right? And touchy brakes.
Touchy brakes. It takes a minute to get used to those, but man, they work.
I remember when they used to be a pile of crap.
Yeah.
Don't break my second gear now. Now you're burning up my clutch?
Oh shit. Sorry.
Dude!
Get second too early.
Man, now it smells like clutch in here. Jeez, this guy. Alright, so breaking away for a second, was in the middle of editing this clip, and I wanted to point out that in no way that Chris, who is driving, is a bad driver at all. He is an excellent driver. The clutch doing what it did when it slipped when he went to grab second gear. It's kind of a fluke deal. This clutch has been kind of picky in a way about its adjustment, and probably because I did a very, very poor break-in on it is probably why it's doing what it does. But it is what it is, sort of thing. Just have to deal with it, or maybe the motor is just making too much torque. I don't know, but probably most of it's just going to be the fact of I didn't break it in right. But again, I just wanted to point out it's not Chris's fault. Fluke deal. Sort of, it is what it is. But anyways, let's get back to the action. Well, I guess it's driving normal all the way back, let it cool back down. So I'm over here at my buddy Daniel's house. I figured that I'd stop by. He wanted me to stop by, check out his project he's got going on. He's putting an SR in this car right here. Definitely got the bay all stripped down, welded up. Why don't you say a little bit about this?
Yeah, it's a basic 8086. It started out as an SR5, which is this different engine setup and a couple other little things. Obviously, it is no longer really any of those things. It's just a shell. Fully stitched weld the chassis. Right now, we're doing a full tuck on the engine bay. I'm going to be putting an SR20 in it with a full fuel tech system and then custom chassis harness. Pretty much a dream build. That's kind of what it goes. Dude, look at this guy right here.
It's like he's in there killing a chicken. All right, so the main reason why I'm over here, I'm gonna go ahead and give Daniel a ride in the car. He hasn't ridden in the car since I did the V8 swap. He originally rode in it and actually drove it when I had the turbo 4-cylinder in it. So we'll get his reaction. Should be some pretty good fun. So let's hop in the car and we'll give Daniel a ride. You ready for this?
Let's go, baby.
So hopefully you guys can see pretty well. I hope the camera angle's good. I guess we'll find out when I go to edit this.
Yeah, for sure.
Let me know when you're ready, boss.
Dude, how do you even do this, man? Let's go.
Okay.
Wow, she's loud.
It's loud, dude.
It's really loud. I mean, it's loud, but it's not like... So
4-cylinder is fun, but this is like reliable fun.
Yeah, this is like daily fun. Yeah, exactly. I'm a 4-cylinder turbo guy. You know me. That's what I love. But this is a dream builder here. This is nice.
Who says you can't go out in the snow and have fun with your race car on slicks? Oh man. Oh. I know the camera quality or the video quality is not very good, but oh, well, this is fun. Alright, so after a fun little test drive out here in the snow, just to see how well we could get around. This driveway is pretty much a sheet of ice. I went right up it. So, I don't know, I think the slicks work pretty good in the snow. I think it's all that contact patch area. I think it works pretty good as far as if you're not very, heavy on the throttle, which of course this car makes so much torque, it's instant wheel spin. But still, it got around pretty damn good, I think. So, like I said, this is put away up until we decide what we're doing with it. Anybody that's followed me and knows I've had this car for a very long time, I'm not getting rid of it, so don't even have that come across your mind. It's just the plan of direction has changed. So this car will still always be around, but we definitely have something in store for you guys, so you definitely want to keep watch on that. But yeah, we've got tons and tons of projects to do, tons of content that I want to make. So make sure you guys go and subscribe. I've noticed a lot of you guys aren't subscribed, so hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Give us a follow on all the other social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever. I mean, we're all on there. But yeah, Mustang's gonna be put away, and then I got some plans for that up there, and some other plans for some other stuff. So with that, stay crazy, and we'll see you in the next video.